Stop scrolling. If you're thinking of earning passive income with crypto in 2025, listen carefully, because one wrong platform can drain your wallet. Crypto is full of amazing opportunities, but also scams that look professional, clean, and convincing. Here's how to protect your money. Check platform transparency. If you can't see how they generate profits, walk away. Verify team identity. No real faces? That's a red flag. Check reviews on Trustpilot, Twitter, and community groups. Never invest because of hype. Invest because of logic. Now here are 3 trusted ways to earn passive income in 2025. 1. Centralized staking on exchanges like Binance Earn, OKX Earn, Safe, Stable, Verified. 2. DeFi staking on blue-chip networks like Ethereum and BNB Smart Chain. Lower risk when using verified protocols. 3. Node and validator rewards for networks like Solana or Avalanche for long-term holders. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it is. Before you join any earning platform, DM me or comment check. I'll send you my scam-proof platform checklist for free. Share this with someone who needs to hear. Ever wondered how people are earning daily passive income just by holding Ethereum? Let me show you something simple. Welcome back. Today I'm reviewing a platform called Smart Stake Pro, where you can stake your Ethereum and earn rewards automatically. No trading, no stress. Here's how it works. You deposit Ethereum, it gets staked securely on chain, and you receive daily rewards straight into your wallet. No complicated setups, no coding. It's basically like putting your crypto to work while you sleep. The platform also supports BNB Smart Chain, Tiaron, and Polygon, and you can start with as little as $5. So yes, anyone can begin. I tested it myself. The dashboard is clean, transparent, and user-friendly. I can track my daily rewards and withdraw anytime. No long lock periods. If you've been searching for a simple and safe way to earn passive income in crypto, check out Smart Stake Pro. Click the link in my bio or description to get started, and comment ETH if you want me to drop a full step-by-step tutorial. This wraps up our overview of Ethereum staking with Smart Stake Pro. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more insights on crypto investments. Stay tuned for our next video where we explore more strategies to maximize your crypto earning. Let's clear up one major misunderstanding in crypto: arbitrage trading versus staking. Which one is actually trusted? First, crypto staking. Staking is built into the blockchain system. When you stake your coins, you're helping secure the network, and the network rewards you in return. Major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX, KuCoin all support staking. So people trust staking more because the rewards are transparent and reasonable, usually 1, 2, 3% to 18% per year. If someone promises 50% to 200% that's not staking, that's a scam pretending to be staking. Now let's explore crypto arbitrage and its implications. Crypto arbitrage involves buying a cryptocurrency on one exchange at a lower price and selling it on another at a higher price. This practice capitalizes on price discrepancies in the market, allowing traders to profit from quick transactions. However, the volatility of cryptocurrency prices can make arbitrage both risky and unpredictable. Despite the risks, many traders are drawn to arbitrage for its potential rewards and quick returns. Ultimately, the choice between crypto staking and arbitrage comes down to an individual's risk tolerance and investment strategy. Do you know you can earn daily profits just by holding your USDT? Yes, it's called TRC20 staking, and most people still don't know how it works. TRC20 is just the USDT token on the Tron blockchain, and Tron is fast, cheap, and designed for low-fee transactions. When you stake TRC20 USDT, you're basically locking your funds on a staking platform or pool. In return, you earn daily rewards, APY or ROI, just for keeping your crypto in place. But wait, not all staking platforms are equal. To maximize your earnings, follow these 3 rules. 1. Pick a trusted platform. Check community reviews and transparency. 2. Reinvest your daily rewards. This is how you compound and grow faster. 3. Start small and scale. Learn the system before you go big. Small daily gains plus consistency plus long-term profit. That's how smart crypto earners grow silently. Want me to show you step-by-step how to stake TRC20 USDT safely and earn daily? Comment TRC20 below and I'll drop the guide. And don't forget to follow for more crypto earning strategies. This concludes the script for what is TRC20 staking and how to maximize.